Today we got the 1986 Land Rover Defender 90. This is a gas model. It's got the V8 manual transmission. Does have a full top. The top does come with the door that matches here. You got the spare tire in the rear that is fully removable. They do make the seats that install back here. You can put the jump seats or the bench. They bolt right in. Does have leather seats, but you got full brand new covers on them. Super clean in here as well. You got some new tires on it with new rims. This one was just fully serviced. Got a bunch of new parts under the hood. Which is a 5-speed. Like I said, this is a gas model. Does have all those vents up top. They open and close, no problem. The top is a matching color. No windows in the top, except in the rear. Perfect day today for it.